Hey everyone. So I wanted to share with you guys a really cool trick that I've discovered that Krea AI can do, and that is their edit function actually works fairly well for fixing issues with text on your images. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So today I'm just going to kind of play around with it and show you guys the possibilities. So this obviously needs a lot of work, but what I'm going to do in this case, because DeepSeek was written twice, I'm just going to remove this one. So to do that, actually, let's try this. Alright, so I'm going to put remove and replace with background. And again, this is kind of a crapshoot. Sometimes it works fantastically, sometimes it doesn't. As you can see in this case, it gave me other text. But what you can see, even in this mistake, is that it copied pretty exactly this particular font. Oops. And so that's something that if you keep playing around with it, and you do have the option to just try it out first with a free account, which is what I'm showing you here. Every day you get like so much usage of their services for free on a free account, and then that way you can decide, hey, I really like this, I want to give a paid account a try. Alright, so if you don't like what it gives you, you can just keep hitting the back button here. So I think I'm going to try again. Let's see. And I actually haven't tried cutting objects. Okay. It's only going to do one at a time, so that's not going to work. But if I wanted to cut like this whole thing here or this here, cut objects is what you would want. So I'm going to try again with removing and replacing, and just be conservative here because I don't want to mess with that G. So, alright, let's try one more time. Please remove and replace with background. Alright, let's see what happens. And you might have to try a few times before you get what you want. Again, it's giving me fonts. So that's not working out. Let me try a couple more times before I give up on that one. Alright, it looks like it's not going to replace it with background, which is what I want. Okay, so we are going to back this up. Just leave that one alone. And let's try to fix this DeepSeek here. So, I want the S obviously to be moved over. Now I can do this. I can move it over in Photoshop or something, but today I'm just trying to show you what Krea can actually do. So, okay, I keep getting into that P, but hopefully it will be fine. S, written in same exact font style as size. And I usually put like professional typography at the end. Oops. High quality. Alright, let's see what happens here. Alright, look at that. It copied that S almost exactly. So that is awesome. So now I'm going to remove the S here and change it to an E. And it looks like it's working again. Yay. So like I said, sometimes it works fabulously, sometimes it doesn't. But I thought it was worth showing because it is very hard to find, AI generation tools currently that do actually help you edit text and have it be the same, have it look the same, because that's important, and in a lot of cases. And so I just wanted to share this. So hopefully this has been helpful to you guys, and yeah, have a great day.